Hi beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. And if you want to see how I got this beautiful sunset look perfect for the summer, then keep on watching. Okay, let's just get right into it. So as I previously stated, this is a sunset tutorial and I am going to do a cut crease, and I'm actually going to use this new brush kit set that I got, and it's from the company Mang, Maange. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's a 20-piece set and it was actually super cheap, and I also got this one on Aliexpress. And as you can tell by the thumbnail, I will be using the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette to create this look, along with another palette. And actually there's another palette as well, so 3 palettes. But I will show you that one later, the third one. So of course my eyebrows are done and I have my eyelids primed, and I will be showing you which primer I'm currently using in the next video, which is a full one brand tutorial. Alright, so you guys are zoomed in now, and I am just applying that shade called Lit, and I'm using a fluffy brush from the brush kit that I mentioned, and I'm just working it into the crease and just laying down a foundation bright yellow for the next shades. Now I'm taking the second shade, which is called Dreamsicle, and I'm using the same brush to basically do the same thing and just apply it a little lower from the yellow. And this is what's going to give it that gradient sunset effect. So now I'm just blending them together so they seamlessly mesh together. So now I'm in the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to take that salmon color and start blending it in the crease as well with another fluffy brush. And I'm also picking up that yellow shade and tapping the yellow shade that we previously put. I'm just tapping that on there to add more color and dimension. So now I'm taking that same salmon color and I'm going to start to work it on the lid closer to the crease so that we get that seamless fade. And as time goes on throughout the video, you'll see that it's really just a game of playing, going back and forth between the palettes and just reapplying the shades to reinforce the color if we lost it. So that's all you have to do, but I will explain more throughout the video. Now, both of these palettes aren't as bright as I would like it to be, my honest opinion. So let me know if you know any other colorful palettes that have a better payoff. Yeah, so now I'm taking another fluffy brush and I am using the darker coral shade in the Huda Beauty palette. So yeah, I just popped on some eye tapes because I plan on making this very winged out. I got this from, where did I get it? Aliexpress. All right, so I am taking my tried and true concealer. This is the LA Pro Conceal, LA Girl, and this is in tan. And I also wanted to point out that this look is inspired by the nail set that I did on myself. Let me know if you want to see some nail videos in the future, because I definitely would love to film that. But yeah, look at that. Beautiful. And I'm just going to cut the crease. You guys seen me do this a million times. I will put a video in the cards where I did a cut crease for you guys to see, but it's very self-explanatory. I'm taking the flat shader brush from this beautiful new set that I got, and I am just going to place the concealer all over my lid. So now that I've had quite a few tries with these brushes, while they were affordable, I wouldn't say that they're like my go-to brushes to use, especially when it comes to the flat shader brushes. I feel like I'm having the worst time trying to apply this concealer on my lid, and I guess it's because of the way the brushes are. I know it's synthetic fiber brushes, so I don't know, but yeah, I'm making it work though, because that's what we do on this channel. So now I'm just going to blend where I have the concealer, like if it got messed up on the upper lid, I'm just going to blend it so that we have it where we only want it to be. Pretty basic. Okay, so now is where things get darkened up. Finally, I'm going to take the last darkest um, burnt orange shade in the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just going to work that in where we have the crease sort of begin, right above the concealer. And now I'm going to take this gem that I have. It's from the Eloise brand, and it's basically a eye topper. It's a liquid eye topper, so it's liquid eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this as a base, but first I am going to put down a matte shade so that we set the concealer, because this is a liquid product. And I'm going to use another flat shader brush, and I'm just going to tap into the neutral shade in the Huda Beauty palette. And now I'm tapping into the Bright Lights palette because, like I said, it's a lot of back and forth, making sure the colors are very pigmented on the lids. So, gotta do what you gotta do. Work it in there. Okay, so I think I found one of my new favorite brushes from the kit. It's like doing the most for me opposed to the other ones. So this is one of those angled brushes, but it's like 3D, if that makes any sense. It's bigger than what I'm used to. It's not as flat, it's more dense. So let's all take the time to appreciate how creamy and smooth this product is. I love it. I don't use it enough. And I have a green one as well that I don't believe I've got to use on this channel yet. But yeah, I got the coral one, and I believe the green one was free. So that was a deal that I got. The price will be listed. So now I'm hopping into, I think, one of the stars of the shows. This is the foiled shade in the Huda Beauty palette. It's one of the two that it comes with, and they're both kind of similar in color. It's, coral, and it just has this beautiful reflectance of gold. And I think that putting the liquid eyeshadow like I did first as a base really helped make the shadow pop. So I'm very pleased with how this looks. So you know we gotta go back in and fix any harsh lines, blend it in together. You know we gotta do that. So I'm taking that same new favorite angled brush, and I'm just working that darkest burnt orange shade from the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just making everything look smooth. Okay, so now I'm moving into liquid liner. This is just the black L.A Colors liquid liner, and I will say that I absolutely hated this. I don't know if I'm not used to that tip that it came with, because I've been using the pens lately, like the felt tip pen, like the Fenty Beauty one, the ColourPop one, or actually the BH Cosmetic one, but I don't know if it's that or just the overall product, because I don't know if you'll be able to see here because I finessed it, but I really had to go in and fix it. Okay, so this is another liquid liner that I am attempting to use by NYX. It's just the Vivid Brights. This is in pastel yellow. So as you can see, I'm just tracing over above the crease line to create this line effect, like pop art, kind of stepping out of my comfort zone. Tell me if you guys liked it, comment below if you have any recommendations, because this liner I found, it smudges. I mean, it's liquid liner, it's gonna smudge, but I feel like it dries patchy and then after time it gets flaky. So yeah, that's just my review. So I'm letting you guys know my honest opinion before you go out and spend your coins. Okay, so this is when the Mother eyeshadow palette had to come out. Well, to be honest, most of the shades aren't as pigmented, so I was actually shocked because this is more pigmented than the Huda Beauty and the Bright Lights palette that I use, and this is way cheaper. You can get this at any beauty supply for less than $5. Let's be real. This is like very generic, very like when you first start out, you just get this palette because it has all these shades, and then you use it and you're like, wow, why did I get this? But yes, don't let it fool you, honey. That yellow was coming through. Okay, so the look is coming together. I have the foundation on, I have set everything, I cream contoured, and now I'm trying out this new contour kit that's new to me that I just got from Tarte, from Sephora, and I'm just gonna chill out my cheeks. This product, you guys, smells amazing, and I really enjoy this product, and it's so like, it's fun size. You can put it in your purse, you can take it anywhere you want to go. I think it's very convenient, and it actually works great with a lot of different shades. Okay, so now all we have to do is finish up the eyes and put on a lip. So let's get it. So here I'm just picking up the coral shade. It wasn't the darkest one. I believe it was the first coral shade. You guys saw what I picked into. So basically I'm just going to run it along my bottom lash line, and I'm using this brush, and I think it actually worked really good for the bottom lash line. I actually like that brush a lot as well. So I have two favorite brushes from that new kit. That's cool. Now I'm picking up the darker shade and I'm just running it along. Basically, we're going to use all of the orange shades, the burnt orange shades under the waterline, and then I'm going to put some yellow to kind of fade it out and give it a nice gradient sunset effect. So yeah, I actually got these lashes from Aliexpress. I love faux affordable mink lashes, and I will try to post below the actual name of it because it's kind of tricky how they have it on Aliexpress, but I got you guys. Just comment below if you want me to list the lashes that I use, because it came in a few different sets and it's different styles. So I'm also taking my Milk. You guys know this is my new favorite bottom lash mascara from Milk. Oh my god, so I'm so excited about the lip choices that we have today. I'm gonna actually show you three. They actually came in a set and they all go with this look. So I found that awesome. And it's from Fenty Beauty, my favorite high-end brand ever. I love Rihanna. She did that. But anyways, we have the shades Cuffing Season, What's Your Number, and So Chilly. So this one here is Cuffing Season. And this one is What's Your Number? It's a beautiful gold. I think it goes the best with this look. Which one do you think goes the best with this look? Comment below. And these lips smell amazing. And this last one is So Chilly. Okay, Glam Dolls, thank you so much for tuning in. This is the finished look. Tell me which lip you liked the best with the look. Tell me what you loved about the look. Tell me if you hated it. I don't care. Just comment below. And thank you so much again. And please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed my content. Bye-bye.